Hello guys. In the earlier videos we were discussing about simple programs using C++, and in those videos while explaining I was using a lot of jargon words or at least a couple of jargon words or technical terms such as variables, keywords, operators, etc. And in this video and in the coming videos we are looking at those jargon words closely and we are going to find out what they are actually. Let's start with the variables in C++. So, what is a variable? By the definition, a variable is a name given to a memory location. It is the basic unit of storage in a program. And moving on to the characteristics, the value stored in a variable can be changed during program execution. A variable is only a name given to a memory location. All the operations done on the variable affects the memory location. In C++, all the variables must be declared before use. But what is it actually? It is simply the name of a storage box where we store our values temporarily. Whatever stored inside it can be changed. Basically, it varies or changes. It is not permanent. Think of it as storage bins used in your kitchens, and you have labeled those bins. In one bin, you will be keeping salt, and in another one, maybe you will be keeping chili powder or something. So think of the variables as storage bins in programming. So for doing a program, you have to store a value for a particular period of time, and that's where you use a variable. So in order to understand the concept better, we look at a program where we use two variables. This is a simple program to convert temperature in degrees Celsius to temperature in Kelvin. So in order to do that, what we have to do is we have to add 273 with the existing temperature value of degree Celsius. Okay. So moving on to the program, since we are not using any special libraries, our header is standard. And moving on to the variable part, I am declaring two variables as float values because temperatures can be float values. So I am declaring them as float. So the first variable is temperature Celsius and the second one is temperature Kelvin. So temp underscore Celsius comma temp underscore Kelvin. And moving on to the main function, first we have to give a prompt for the user to enter the values. So cout insertion operator in double quotes, enter the temperature in degrees Celsius. And since now we have given an input prompt, we have to receive or extract the value. So in extraction operator temp Celsius. So we have received the value for Celsius. And this is where we will do our math. So temperature Kelvin or temp underscore Kelvin is equal to temp underscore Celsius plus 273. Here this 273 is a constant. It does not change with the input. So now printing out the output or result, cout insertion operator in double quotes the temperature in Kelvin is comma then the temperature in Kelvin or underscore temp underscore Kelvin and a k to show its unit, and we'll end the program. So let's try this out. I'm hitting running and enter the temperature in degrees Celsius. So let's try 45. The temperature in Kelvin is 318 Kelvin. Let's try another value. Let's say 32. So the temperature in Kelvin is 305 Kelvin. So this is how variables work. The input changes and the output also changes, but the constant stays the same. Hope you understood the concept of variables in C++. Thank you.